Good morning America, today the 18th of December 2025 news. President Trump hailed his first year as successful in a White House address, claiming he inherited chaos and is fixing it, despite public economic concerns and looming 2026 midterm challenges for Republicans nationwide and voter anxiety remains. The dollar stayed firm as markets awaited policy decisions in Britain, Europe and Japan. Sterling weakened after falling UK inflation boosted rate cut expectations at Bank of England, while the yen steadied before a Bank of Japan hike. Chinese scientists built a prototype EUV chipmaking machine in a secure Shenzhen lab, reverse-engineered by former engineers from ASML, nearing testing in 2025, potentially challenging Western dominance in AI, smartphone, and military semiconductor production capabilities worldwide today. Optus said an independent review of its September outage found serious gaps in processes, accountability, escalation and information sharing, while also flagging cultural challenges affecting decision-making and response times at the Singapore telecommunications-owned company. Gold prices were steady, buoyed by dovish Federal Reserve signals but capped by a strong dollar ahead of key U.S. inflation data, while silver stayed near record highs and gold edged slightly lower in early Thursday trading. Coinbase appointed former British Finance Minister George Osborne to lead its advisory council, aiming to expand lobbying influence beyond the United States, strengthening engagement with governments in Britain and the European Union amid policy push abroad today. The European Union must reform or risk irrelevance amid intensifying US-China rivalry, says a report led by Tony Blair and Jamie Dimon, warning structural shifts across security, energy, technology and trade are reshaping nations, markets and institutions. The dollar stayed firm as investors awaited central bank decisions in Britain, Europe and Japan. Sterling weakened after softer UK inflation boosted rate cut expectations, while the yen recovered slightly ahead of a Bank of Japan hike looming. Sue Kim of hedge fund Standard General is in talks to buy or invest in Warner Bros. Discovery TV networks, after a major shareholder suggested acquiring all or part of its cable assets, including CNN. President Donald Trump attended a Dover Air Force Base ceremony honoring 3 U.S. personnel killed in Syria, joined by Secretary Pete Hegseth as flag-draped caskets returned home.